Hello guys, this is Lauren. Today I am going to show you how to use this ginger oil that I made few days ago. And for those of you who are not yet watch the video how I conserve ginger, please wait till the end of this video, and I will put to the suggestion video on the end. And for those who are not yet subscribed to my channel, if you like my content, please consider to subscribe, and please hit that notification button for you to notified whenever I upload new videos. Thank you so much, and here is the video. So here is now, after one day, here's now the ginger oil, and I have here chicken breast stripes. It already sauteed with garlic and onions. What I'm going to cook this time is chicken breast arrozcaldo, the easy way. So yeah, and this is how I use this. First, stir and scoop a spoon of it. I think I'm going to put here only 1 spoon because this is not much. So just like that, as easy as that. And please use a separate spoon whenever you use this oil, so that it will not going to be contaminated with foreign materials or water, and so that it will going to stay longer. Even you don't put it yet in the refrigerator, it will gonna stay longer without contamination from water or other things. So always use a clean spoon. And as you can see here, the chicken breast is already almost drained, or almost in the fry situation. So I have here cooked rice. It's already cooked, and this is I told you, this is the easiest way to cook arrozcaldo. This will gonna take maybe 20-25 minutes. It depends on the heat of your pan. So because this is chicken stripes, and chicken breast is easier to cook than chicken with bones. And then after mixing it, put the water. And stir. Just stir so that it will not going to burn. And put more water. But the problem is, I think my pot is very small. The rice will going to expand while it's cooking. So I think I'm going to wash a bigger pot, so that it will going to fit. So just a moment, guys. Just washing the other pot. Don't put high heat whenever you left your food cooking. So here's a bigger pot, and what I'm going to do now is pour the chicken breast arrozcaldo here. Well, anyway, it's almost done, and voila. So See, when you heat the pot, it will continue boiling. And of course, a little bit more water. And let's cook. See, the rice is still expanding. If you put water on it, it will going to expand still, and this pot will going to become full. So guys, it's done, and thank you so much for watching. This is Lauren, and God bless you all. I love you all. Take care, everyone. God bless you.